Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone where for some reason some apps are missing on your device. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing you have to do is you want to make your way over to your app store just like this, and you want to search up that application that is missing from your device. So in this case, let's just take Snapchat for example, right? If we go and type in Snapchat, even if it's not typed in properly, and you want to go and click on the application, if it says anything like update or open or anything like that, well, what's going to happen is that application is either installed, but it's not, visible on your home screen. If it says something like, install or get, well, that means that application was never installed. So you have to click install or get, and then that application will be downloaded. Now, let's say you search for the application everywhere, but you can't find it. Well, it may be within a folder. It could also be within your little, app library here. So before you get too far, you want to swipe down your display just like this, and you want to search for that application. So let's say with Snapchat, well, as soon as you start typing in Snap just like this, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and recommend you that application. So even if you can't find it, scrolling through the pages, you should still be able to find it this way. And all you have to do here is go and open up that app, and then you'll be able to see it this way. Now, let's say that doesn't end up working either. Well, that means that application you downloaded, it's either missing, either it's deleted and you may have to re-download it, or the application for some reason is hidden within your app library and it may be under a different name. So what I would recommend doing here is scrolling through each individual application here and trying to find that app that you're trying to find. If you don't have it here either, this is pretty much the last hope. These are all the applications you have on your device. If you don't have it here, you'll have to go back to your app store or wherever you download the app, and you'll have to find it that way. So here you'll be able to find the application right here. You can go and click on it, open it up, and you should be good to go for the most part. So that is pretty much it for the most part. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.